Hey guys, my name is Shivij and welcome to my channel TechNot. So guys, as you all know that due to this COVID pandemic, everyone is working from home and even the students are taking online classes from their home. But obviously you all know that online classes are not as productive as the offline classes. But the teachers are giving their best and teaching the students in these hard times. Practicals are also as important as the theoretical part and students need to practice their science experiments and science practicals which they are not able to do in these online classes. So today I'll tell you about an application which is the solution to this problem whose name is Beaker. So on this app you can perform chemistry experiments and practicals on your phone. This app was suggested to me by my friend and I loved this app. So I also thought that why not should I also tell about this app to you all so that you can practice your chemistry practicals on this app. So today I'll tell you that how can you use this application and make a proper use out of it. So guys, this is the Beaker application and as you can see the interface of this application is very simple. So on the screen you can see two icons, one on the top left and one on the top right. So if I click the button on the top right, so here you will see a list of all the acids, bases, salts, gases and many other chemical compounds. And here is another icon on the bottom right of the screen. So if I'll click this button, so it will tell you the chemical name of the compound, it will tell you its molar mass and it will also tell you its volume. So now if I click on the icon which is given on the top left of the screen, so if I'll click it, so here you get all other equipments which are used in the chemical reactions. So let's try performing some chemical reactions. So first of all I'll do a reaction with the hydrogen gas. So as you all know that if a burning splinter is placed near hydrogen gas, so it gives a pop sound. So we'll try that reaction here. So if I click on the top right icon, so from here I can select many compounds as you already know. So from here I'll select the hydrogen gas. And now as you can see the hydrogen gas is filled here, but you can't see it because obviously it's a gas. And now if I'll bring a matchstick near it, so it should give a pop sound. So if you want to bring a matchstick, so you can simply drag your finger on the screen and matchstick will appear. So as you heard that there was a pop sound and it also showed you a valid chemical equation there. So if you are performing a valid chemical reaction, then it will also show you a valid chemical equation for that chemical reaction. So now we'll try one more reaction in which I'll take calcium oxide and I will react it with water and it should give us calcium hydroxide. So I'll find CaO here. So I'll take calcium oxide from here and then I'll react it with water. So as you can see, calcium oxide plus water gives us calcium hydroxide and it is a valid chemical reaction. So it is also showing us a chemical equation for this reaction. And after you've done the reaction and you want to clear out all the chemicals here on the screen, so what you need to do is you just need to tilt your phone. Everything will empty out. So this makes it quite easy. So now we'll try one last reaction in which I'll take zinc and will react it with dilute sulfuric acid. So it will give us hydrogen with zinc sulfate. So I'll take zinc from here and then I'll add sulfuric acid in this. So as you can see, it was a valid chemical reaction. So it is showing me a valid chemical equation which tells us that zinc plus H2SO4 will give hydrogen plus zinc sulfate. So guys, this was all about the Beaker application and I hope that you loved this application and it will be very useful to you all. So if you want to download this app, then the link is in the description. So guys, if you like the video, please drop a like and also subscribe to the channel if you are new and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any latest updates from Tech.